Hello, Renegade. I'm Harmony Major, Trauma Transcendence Leader for Entrepreneurs, and today I'm answering the question, what is the parasympathetic nervous system? We're going to cover what is its overall function, what processes does it control, and what are some symptoms that you might experience when the parasympathetic nervous system is out of balance or overactive. Again, I'm Harmony Major. I help audacious entrepreneurs to finally transcend childhood trauma and disable fear so that they can run better businesses on purpose. So, the parasympathetic nervous system's overall function is basically to govern those unconscious bodily processes. It's also called the rest and digest system, and it's responsible for our energy saving. So, processes that it controls are, for example, salivation, urination, sexual arousal, again, digestion, our breathing, the production of tears. It also gradually slows our heart rate after we have been in sympathetic dominance mode. After those periods of stress, it calms us back down. It constricts our pupils to allow us to regain our near sight because, again, the sympathetic dominance mode or sympathetic nervous system activation is going to allow us to have that farsighted mode so we can scan our environment for threats. And then the parasympathetic nervous system is also responsible for muscle and tissue repair. So, some symptoms that you might experience when the parasympathetic nervous system is overactive or you're in parasympathetic dominance. First of all, emotional symptoms might be you have a lack of motivation, you are feeling very depressed, you are feeling disconnected from others. Because remember, the parasympathetic nervous system is here to calm us down, but we can have too much of a good thing. So if we're too calm, then we become disconnected. We become kind of in this frozen state. Physical symptoms that we might experience in parasympathetic dominance include lethargy and fatigue, low blood pressure, a lower than normal heart rate. And by normal, I mean whatever is normal for you. Increased urination, overproduction of saliva in the mouth, increased mucus, constriction of airways, so that can cause coughing, wheezing, shortness of breath, frequent illness or infection. You might have stiff joints upon rising, and it kind of takes you a minute to kind of get started and feel like yourself. You might have difficulty swallowing, runny eyes, you might have a runny nose. You blink a lot. People might say, hey, are you sleepy? Take a nap. Why are you doing so much blinking? You might have stomach cramps. You might be frequently hungry. You might have really, because you have really fast digestion, you might have puffy or swollen eyelids. So, again, our systems were designed to be in balance. When one system is activated, the other system cannot be activated. And if we're out of balance, if we're locked into one mode or another, either sympathetic dominance or parasympathetic dominance, it can be harmful to our systems. So, again, it's really important to achieve a state of energetic harmony. So, if you need suggestions or help to just achieve that balance in your body and in your mind, do please visit energeticharmony.net and schedule a call with me, and we'll see what we can come up with in terms of helping you get back into energetic harmony. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like so I know to produce more content like this. If you have a question or a comment, leave that in the comments. And if you think it can help someone else, of course, please share. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.